And it's summer, and it's time to continue refreshing our home for this amazing season. I love to have my home fresh, clean, and inviting. So my invitation for you today is to go with me to the entryway so we can refresh that area for summer. So if you are new here, say hi in the comments and I will say hi back to you. Okay, let's go to the entryway with me. Let's go. Okay, first, before we decorate, we're gonna be cleaning. I'm gonna be cleaning all the surfaces with the Mayor's lemon verbena that you know is my favorite. I'm gonna be mopping the floor and then we're starting the decoration. Summer is beautiful, not only outside but also inside. I love to keep my house airy, clean, and organized so I don't feel hot during the summer. I love to create those little arrangements from my flowers that I get in my garden. So this year I got some Texas wildflower from Amazon and I planted them in the little raised bed, and today we're gonna use them to decorate my entryway. You're gonna see me every morning walking with a cup of coffee, checking all my flowers and see which one is ready to pick and bring inside my home. I love to bring the outside inside. Flowers, plants, greenery, that's my passion, guys. I like to place my flowers where I can see them. So you're gonna see them beside my coffee maker, my nightstand, put them in my coffee table, and I think here in my entryway is a perfect spot. I'm gonna keep this area simple with these little flowers that they are beautiful and simple and very, very summery. So they're gonna look cute. And I'm gonna bring my lamp here, my company for some lights to the flower. I'm gonna give that beautiful contrast. And it's summer, it's time for bicycling. Even if I don't ride bicycle, I love to bring my little bicycle here to my decoration every summer. I think it looks cute and it's very fresh, and with the flowers it look like I just picked them up outside. And this little cotton greenery, I just gonna place them here. In this area, also gonna keep it very simple. I just gonna use this wood tray just to cover the cable from the lamp, and I'm gonna place in this tiny light. This is from TVC, and two of my lilac candles that smell amazing. For me, it's spring, summer, whenever I feel like, because I love that smell. So they're always gonna be here in my house. Lilac is my favorite smell from candle. There are so many good ones, but this one is cute. And why not my angel with these lights to bring some light and energy to my home. And it's summer, of course, we're gonna be watering my plants all the time. So water can, and it's yellow, the color of my decorations today. And here, just placing my beautiful hat for the sun every time when I go to the garden. Easy to take it from here. And nice summer bag with the sunflowers and some flowers just inside, simulating that I just came from the garden with some fresh flowers. And one of my greenery here. And that's it. The decoration is done. It's simple, but I think it's very pretty. Let me give you a little tour around and show you how that you like it. Let me know in your comments. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you for staying with me to the end, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Refreshing your home for summer. I think it's a good time to have together. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you again for staying with me. And if you are new here and you like this kind of video, just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications. So until next time, bye bye. God bless you all.